On 11th March 2020, WHO has announced COVID-19, the disease caused by the deadly coronavirus, to be a pandemic. Pandemic means a disease that has spread globally and to which general population does not have any immunity. More than 180,000 people all around the world have been tested positive for coronavirus, and the number of patients who have died from it is more than 7,000, which means the mortality rate of coronavirus is more than 3%. WHO has recommended three main measures that everyone should follow. Number 1, hand washing. Number 2, self-isolation. Number 3, social distancing. But there is one group in general population that cannot follow these recommendations. Exactly, healthcare workers. And today I am here to pay my tribute to all these healthcare professionals, whether it's doctors, nurses or paramedical staff. Throughout human history, healthcare workers have been the first line of defense in our war against germs. And if you see the numbers, this is the group that has suffered the highest rate of mortality in every epidemic or pandemic. When most of the people around the world are fighting over toilet papers and hand sanitizers, these are the individuals who are fighting selflessly to save the lives of other human beings. Here, I have to be very honest with you. I have never fancied being a doctor. But when I hear the stories of these great individuals from China, from South Korea, from Italy, from Iran, I can tell you, I have never been more proud of my profession. You must remember the scenes from superhero movies where the whole United Nations sits down and then they decide that this is the time to call the Avengers. Let me tell you, these healthcare professionals are the Avengers of our time. They are the real heroes. We still don't understand COVID-19 completely, and we still don't know how it spreads. But you will not see any doctor or a nurse refusing to take care of a patient who has been tested positive for coronavirus. There are images and videos coming from all around the world where you can see doctors and nurses working with extreme dedication and sincerity with this ultimate goal in their mind, that we want to contain this pandemic and we want full recovery of our patients. These high moral standards are the reason that healthcare workers are the best among us. Now, I want to talk to all the healthcare workers around the world that as a doctor, I completely understand your fear and anxieties, and I share them as well. Every time I go to hospital, I know that I will also be tested positive for this virus. It's just a matter of time. I want to request all of you to always take complete personal protective equipment whenever you're going to see these patients, because we still are not sure whether this is contact isolation, droplet isolation or airborne. And this is the problem, because we don't completely understand COVID-19. So there are going to be many updates in coming weeks. So it's better to be very careful than be sorry. But I think there is no need to panic. All our night on calls, all our 24-hour shifts were a drill to prepare us for this day. If we use all precautions and take all preventive measures, I'm sure we will overcome this pandemic. We will survive, and we will have a story to tell to our next generations. In the end, I just want to remind you of all your goals and dreams when you joined as healthcare professionals. Let me tell you, our time has arrived. This is our time to rise and shine. This is our time to fulfill our oath to serve the mankind. And that's why I salute you. And I really appreciate all your efforts. May God protect everyone.